'Tis the season for light and bright flavors, and I'm making our top-rated lemon meringue pie. So you've got lemons, let's get cooking. I'm gonna start by zesting and juicing a couple lemons. That smells so good. And do not get that juice from a bottle, you hear me? First step is to make our lemon curd. Sugar, flour, cornstarch, and salt. Now add in your water and lemon juice. As this mixture comes to a boil, it's gonna thicken. It's gonna get really rich and creamy. And then it'll be time to incorporate our egg yolk. So this is when you have to do what we call tempering. So we're gonna take some of that hot mixture, add it to our yolks, bring these up to a warmer temperature. Now that our yolks have come up to temperature, I'm gonna whisk them back into here. We're ready to stir in our lemon zest and the butter. And at this point, I've turned the heat off. I'm gonna stir this until the butter melts. Once our lemon curd is ready, it goes straight into our pre-baked pie shell. See, it wasn't that hard. But while this is hot, let's make that meringue real quick. I'm gonna get my egg whites going. I'll gradually add the sugar until stiff peaks form. And then I like to use a little spatula and kind of make little wispy peaks. And you want those little peaks to turn golden brown. That's what makes this pie so special. I'll just pop this in the oven, 325 degrees for about 20 minutes. Look at this beauty. As much as I want to dig in right now, you have to let it sit just to come together so that you can get a pretty slice out. I think it's best if it just comes to room temperature. That lemon curd could not be any fresher. I was about to blow it like it's hot.